All right, small business owner, if you've got a simple edit where you want to change a section layout on your page, if you just don't like the way the user experience is going, where the founder's note, for instance, is higher up on the page, and you want to drop that down and kind of add your why you pick my business, you want to move that up, this is how you do it. So all you're doing is changing a section. You can actually drag it right on the page, but I don't recommend that. It tends to be clunky. Best bet is to open up your structure bar here. It'll pop up on your window. You can also drag it to the side of the window and it'll pop up there. But I like to leave it hovering. So basically all I want to do is I'm looking for my services here, which is right here. And then the section right below it, I don't have it named. Don't blame me for that. I just want to flip these. So all I'm going to do is drag and drop. That's it. Make sure you close those, because if you don't, sometimes it will drag and drop inside that section and it'll cause some headache. If that happens, just Control Z, back out of that, and then just make sure you close it up. So like right here, if I drop this, if I try to drop this, it might go in between the image in the container, and I don't want that. I want it to jump the whole entire container. So if that's all you're doing, close those up and then drag and drop where you feel fit and hit publish. And that's it.